Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasha and today I'm going to jump right into it. We're going to do how to do eyeshadow for beginners. So the eyeshadow that I have, first let's get started. So make sure you have all your supplies. You're going to need eyeshadow of your choice. I'm using Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I'm a neutral kind of girl, so we're going to go for like a natural brown and a slight shimmer today. So you're going to need your eyeshadow, eyeshadow primer, concealer brush, and a fluffy brush. Where's my concealer brush? So, just these little items. And then I don't have any eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to use concealer. So my concealer today is by LA Girl in the color Fun. Ooh, let me shake that up. And if you don't have concealer or eyeshadow primer, you can do a moisturizer or foundation, just something little just to get you started. Nothing too much, you know. Okay, I won't be using this because it doesn't want to work. So we're going to be using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. And this color is 50. So, just going to plot some. I'm just going to coat my eye. And then with that concealer brush or fluffy brush, whatever you have, I'm going to apply that all over. And blend it out. And I apply eyeshadow all on my eye all the way to the brow, so that's where I'll be applying my concealer. You don't want to use too much, just want enough to cover. And if you don't have a brush, you can also use a beauty sponge. So now that I have my eyes coated with some concealer, I like to take a color that is closest to my skin tone and set that. So I'm going to set that with, I'm going to set it with mango pudding. Or should I do berry pudding? I'm going to do mango pudding. And I'm taking that with a fluffy brush. So now that I did mango pudding, I'm gonna take warm cocoa and apply it into my crease so I can kind of contour my eye a little bit. My eyes are kind of already naturally contoured, but I just want to enhance that a little bit. So I'm gonna apply that in my crease and slowly blend it out and down. That. I'll blend it down. And you are in control of the brush. So if you need to hold it closer to the fluffy part so you can have more control, I like to hold it like this and kind of like free-hand it a little bit. Just let the brush do the work. But as a beginner, I would slowly take control And then once you get comfortable, you know. So then, after I do that, I'm gonna lighten up my crease just a little bit. And to do that, I'm gonna take this color right here called Nana Pudding. And I'm gonna put that on the crease area. Why does that look not blended right there? Is this the camera or is it me? I'm gonna take a little bit more warm cocoa and blend it to my brow bone because I don't like the way it looks. Maybe it's the camera. I can't tell. That looks really bad. Oh my gosh. Why does it look like that on camera? Maybe it's the light. I'm gonna keep going. It gets ugly before it gets pretty. I don't know what is going on right now. It just doesn't look like I'm blending. So now that I've lightened my crease up, I'm gonna choose, I think I'm gonna do almond jelly on top of the crease. So I'm gonna put that on top of what I just applied. And hopefully it helps it blend with the the corner better. Cause what the heck is going on? Y'all forgive me, this is my first time doing makeup on my new camera and I don't like it. Cause like, my mirror is telling me something different, but the camera is showing me something else. I'm just applying that on the lid. So I like to start in the middle and go boop, boop, boop. And then the freaking viewfinder has this square around my eye and I can't tell. Okay. It's not too bad. I don't know what that is. There's nothing there. Hold on. I'm not gonna stress. We're not stressing. Okay? We're just gonna keep going. So that is literally all I do for my eyeshadow. I do have clusters already on my eyelashes, so it kind of gives it a more of an So I usually do like to apply a small eyeliner with a liquid pen, but since I have the clusters on, I really don't want to today. But to enhance the eyeshadow look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Maybelline Define Black and I'm just going to go into my waterline. Who is this? Hello? Hi, yes. So after I've applied the eyeliner, it kind of gave me the big but like I said, I have clusters on and they kind of got eyeshadow on them, so I'm gonna take a little mascara, and this is also by Maybelline. Everything's by Maybelline over there today, and just darken them up some. And I only like to wear a little bit of makeup just because I feel like I don't need a lot. I like to do lashes, and I like the eyeshadow look because I also wear glasses too, so you really can't see it, but I can see it and it makes me feel good. So I'm gonna do I like the waterline look because I feel like it enhances my eye color as well. But I feel like all you need is a nice natural eye look and your makeup is done. But I feel weird with just eyes, so I am gonna do a quick little face. Just gonna take some concealer under the eye. That's all I have. I need to get more. I'll do concealer under the eye, on the nose. I'm doing it as if it is a full face. Nose, mustache, chin. And then I also have some liquid blush. That's not blush. And this is the Love Tint by Benefit. I put it on my lips too. This is literally how I can fake a full face. And just gonna put a little bit. And then I have some bronzer by Benefit. Yes! Ah, so pretty. Wait, see that? Ah, it's not blended. Blend, blend, blend. I think this is the lighting because that does not look, that looks bad. Like, that looks good. That looks like, that's not what I'm seeing. Why is that? Let's see, should I go down some with the lighting? That's no lighting, so that's just regular light. And it still looks like that. Look at my face. There's something on it. What is going on? Maybe it's just how my face is. It has to be the lighting. I don't understand. Alright, my camera died, but we're back. So, let me see. I don't know. I'm gonna figure this lighting out. Let me know in the comments. Is it just me? Like, it's right there. Like, what is that? But there's nothing there in the mirror. What was I even doing? Bronzer. I don't know. One moment. So my lipstick is by LA Colors. This is my go-to lipstick. It's called In Love, and I just love the way it looks on me. I can put a lip liner on and it just chef's kiss. So I know this video was just about how to do eyeshadow, and of course I took it too far, but that's what happens when you have a love for makeup. So like and subscribe. So now the look is complete. This is how I didn't do my brows, but like I said, I'm gonna get them waxed, so I didn't want to put any product on them. But yes, thank you so much for watching. My name is Deja. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Any concerns, any advice, yes, please let me know about the lighting, because I don't know what's going on. And then like I said, this is the look with the glasses. Look at the camera. Take a picture. I don't know. We're gonna figure this lighting out. Probably need a new ring light, so we'll see. I like it.